Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? Long time no see, right? Today, you guys, I have a cute little unboxing. So, you want to see what I got? Then keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you guys. So, I took a good little break from buying handbags and everything. For one, because I don't want to be a hoarder, you guys. And secondly, we buying all these bags. Where we gonna put them, sis? Where we gonna put them? And I don't want bags just for show or whatever. And also, I don't want to buy bags because I like them at the moment and then I end up selling them, taking a loss or whatever. So I really took my time. I've been using the bags that I have, and it really gave me a chance to look at my collection and see what I really needed. Now, I do have a few wants, you know what I'm saying, but for the most part, just to keep from impulse buying, I stopped altogether, and it has saved me, sister girl. Yes, ma'am. For example, let me tell you real quick. For example, there is a silver platinum color pillow tabby coming out. I saw it on Neiman's. I put it on my community post, right? I was like, oh my god, it's for pre-order. It's in the size 20 and the size 26 so far, right? I was like, oh my god, I love it. It'll be perfect. And something said, don't you pre-order that bag, don't do it. And guess what, sis? I have this MZ wireless bag that I love that is in the same colorway, different bag nonetheless, but it's the same color. Why do I need two bags this color? You know what I'm saying? Like stuff like that. So pausing to think about stuff has saved your girl. Anyway, anywho, I know that was long-winded, but anyway, I have an unboxing, you guys. This is my first bag like this. Everybody and their mama, for the most part, has one of these, but this is my first one. It is from Coach, of course. I did get it from Satire. So let me just unwrap it. So the bag that I got, you guys, is the Coach Quilted Pillow Tabby, the size 26 in the color Maple. I had said, I think on a shorts or video or something, that I was going to get this bag. Yes, ma'am. And I absolutely, the color, y'all, it's the color for me. It's the color for me. She is absolutely stunning. Now, I do want a few more of these bags. I'm just still trying to make up my mind. Like, I'm most definitely going to get the black and silver one. Most definitely. And I'm still going back and forth about the denim one. But I have the Coach Cassie in denim. So, I don't know. But most definitely, I'm going to get the black and silver one. But y'all, she is absolutely gorgeous. And this is my first pillow tabby, y'all. And what made me really pull the trigger on this one, not just because of the color, but y'all, I bought a brown trench coat from the Gap. Yes, ma'am, sis. This is going to be so sexy with that coat. Oh my, sis. Oh my god, stunning. Sis, oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. And y'all have seen a gazillion trillion unboxings on these bags. You know what fits. I'm not going to buy any accessories or anything to go with this. I'm just going to use my Louis Vuitton stuff. For example, one of these mini pochettes. Let's see. Will it fit? Fits right on up in there. Yes, it does. So I'm just going to use the accessories and things that I already have to go in here, because like I said, I don't want to hoard anything. But y'all, this is so freaking beautiful. It's the color for me. Y'all, is she not sexy? Oh my god. And like our good sis Forever Ebony said, we got to make sure that everything lines up, and it does. It does. This is so beautiful, and I ordered this from Satire, y'all. So I paid somewhere like $430, $450, something like that. That's what I paid for this. I was like, what the hell is that noise? Anyway, yeah, so I paid like $450 for mine. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to unwrap the chain right now because I'm not going to use it right now. But she will be getting used soon. And this chocolate brown, y'all, it's so beautiful. It's so neutral to go with any and everything. I love this, y'all. Alright, you guys, I have another bag. I was going to make a separate video, but girl, no. So, next bag I have, you guys. I'm trying to fit the whole bag in frame. I have this beautiful 100% suede bucket bag. I got this from Madewell, you guys. So, what made me fall in love with this bag, I saw it in navy. But the navy was only sold at Nordstrom's, and girl, it sold out so quick. So quick, so fast. And it has yet to restock, because I do want a navy bag. But I saw this one. This comes in suede and it comes in leather. It comes in chocolate brown as well. So let me tell you once again, y'all, I had already bought this, but I forgot that I bought this. So I knew that this came in chocolate, and I was like, oh my God, I love it. I want the chocolate one. I went to the Madewell store, and they didn't have any chocolates available. They only had this one. And I was like, I'll just order it online. But something kept saying, girl, don't order that bag online. The next day I remembered, you got this in chocolate. Why do you need that? Yeah, you see what I'm saying? That's why I'm like, I'm so grateful that I'm taking my time now to think about things. But I did want a suede bag. And the Coach Brooklyn, it was nice. But it was just something about it. And besides, I didn't like the inside, the material on the inside of the Coach Brooklyn. So that was one of the main reasons why I passed on that bag. But this is how this one looks on the inside. Y'all, I love this bag. So this bag comes in, this is like the tawny color, the lighter tan. It comes in chocolate brown suede. It comes in like a green, kind of like a, I won't say it's like a sage green. You know what? My good sis Vivienne, she recently went to Madewell, and she showed the green one. So it comes in green. It comes in leather too, brown leather. I think it's tan. A few colors. This bag is $178. I want to say I paid like $193 with tax or whatever. So this is way cheaper than the Coach bag, and I think that this is better. It has the buckle on this side. It's in gold. The strap is adjustable. It has 6 holes. So you can make this strap as long or as short as you would like. But this is a vibe. Once again, with my trench coats, yeah, I absolutely love this bucket bag. It does not have any feet. I'm going to spray this bag, of course, before I use it. I'm going to spray it. It does have a magnetic closure. It just closes like so, like that. Has one pocket right here. Come on now. Okay, one pocket right there. And the rest of it is just a big open hole. I love this, y'all. I absolutely love this. Like I said, I'm going to spray it. But yeah, it's a whole vibe. Less than $200. 100% suede, y'all. I love it. It's the color for me. It fits on my shoulder. All right, sister girl. So that pretty much concludes my two unboxings, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all later.